how to use voice access in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily use voice access on your Windows 11. For that, you'll need to go to the settings. So open up the settings and then you will see various options on the left hand side. Go to accessibility and then scroll down and tap on speech. And here you'll find the voice access option. You can either press the Windows plus Control plus S key to turn on voice access, or just toggle it on here. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.